So I frequently noticed a question being asked on the online forums that whether online courses, degrees, and diplomas are they useful or not. So there's no direct answer to it, but stay till the end because I'll give you a quick checklist, right? तो सबसे पहले इसको समझने के लिए I'll bifurcate my answer into two parts. पहले whether we are discussing about mode of learning or the quality of learning. तो अगर मैं मोड ऑफ लर्निंग की बात करूं तो ऑनलाइन लर्निंग के एज एवरीथिंग हैज इट हैज इट्स ओन प्रोज एंड कॉन्स. प्रोज ये है दैट यू गेट सेल्फ पेस्ड लर्निंग, फैकल्टी का ज्यादा कंट्रोल होता है ओवर द क्लास तो डिस्ट्रैक्शंस कम होते हैं. You save a lot of cost on the course because these courses are cheaper comparatively and you are less distracted and more focused on achieving the final results. अगर मैं कॉन्स की बात करूं तो ये है that this is more individualistic, the group interaction is less unless the facilitator takes that effort to do so. Other than that, I would mostly go on the pro side. If you want more social interaction and in-person touch during the sessions and in-person feel, then I would say that you should go for offline mode, but otherwise the online courses are pretty much better. Now, if I'm talking about the quality of course, there's a quick checklist that you can refer to. One, what is the credibility of the entity, college or institution that is offering you this course and how are they credible to give you this course. तो ये किस कॉलेज से रजिस्टर्ड है कोर्स या ये किसी एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्लेटफॉर्म से रजिस्टर्ड है या किसी एग्रीगेटर जैसे कोर्सेरा या यूडेमी से रजिस्टर्ड है. देन हु इज द ट्रेनर, आपका कोर्स लेने कौन वाला है, उस ट्रेनर की क्रेडिबिलिटी क्या है, उस ट्रेनर को कितने साल का एक्सपीरियंस है ये लेने में. Then you can also check on the testimonials of people who have attended this course earlier. And for that, you can also check their LinkedIn profiles, whether those testimonials are real. इस तरह के लोगों के profiles exist कर भी रहे हैं या नहीं. And then lastly, but most important is the placements. कि वो platform आपको placement provide कर पा रहा है या नहीं. Now, if the course is less than 3 months, usually उतने में कुछ ऐसा skill नहीं build up हो सकता जो आपको placements में help करे. But if the courses are longer, say 6 months to a year, तो फिर वहाँ पे placement prospect अच्छा होना चाहिए. There should be good companies coming to campus or the online arrangement, and they should be able to pay you decent salaries. तो कौन सी companies हैं, you can connect to the HRs, you can know whether or not are they really partnered with the organization, what are the CTCs that they are paying, and also you can get in touch with the alumni of those courses. फिर भी if you want someone's help in exploring the right course for you and where can you do it from, don't shy to get in touch. Thank you.